Learn how to create avatar on Snapchat. The first step is to log on to your Snapchat application. Once you log on, you click on your image at the top. You see an option, create my avatar, so you click on it. So you select an option below. So I'll be going with the main avatar. Creating 3 options. So keep your face centered. So I'll be using my face right now. So after doing that, you click on continue. Then you click on done. You succeeded in creating avatar on your Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to share. Thank you. Thank you.